Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Diwalog 2020. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy Dashera, Vijayadashmi or whatever it is that you are celebrating today. I know the festive season this time is a little meh, but I thought, you know what, let's celebrate together because that's what we are doing right now, virtual celebrations. I think festivities should also be about yourself and how you feel, and that's why for today's video, the first video of Diwalog 2020, I wanted to do a skincare routine, a 3-step skincare routine that would leave you with glowing skin till Diwali. Now, I wanted to ensure that there is no purging time involved in this because purging itself can take to about 2 weeks, and in 20 days we're going to be having Diwali. So, we don't want purging. You can definitely just switch up the products to whatever you are already using. You don't need to invest in new products. There are no acids, actives, or any other crazy ingredients involved. So, it's a little bit more comfortable for everyone, and you can do it every single day too. I would suggest you do it at night time so your skin has more time to repair and just recover, and it would be glowing in the morning. I would suggest you can start off by doing it alternate days, or if you're from the oily skin type, you can do it twice a week and your skin would love it. So I know you guys would be like, just shut up and get done with the skincare routine already. So I'm gonna zip it up and let's move on to the skincare routine. I'm starting off with wet skin because the first step of my skincare routine has to be a face wash. This is Herb Day Peach Variant Face Wash by The Face Shop. Now, if you are wearing makeup, I would ideally suggest you to double cleanse and remove the makeup. I'm not wearing any right now, so I'm going to go directly in with this. I don't think I need to explain to you why you need to use a face wash, but still, in a nutshell, it gets rid of any dust and grime and make sure that your skin is clean before you go in with skincare. Now, I'm going to go all over my face for about a minute. It is said that if you wash your face for a minute with your face wash, it just acts better. I have been trying to do this since the past 6 to 8 months. I haven't still seen a huge difference, but I am ready to give it a shot for a longer while. So I'm just gonna massage my face and then wash it off once I'm done for a minute. My face wash is now off and my skin feels absolutely clean but not stripped down, which is so important to me, and that's why I absolutely love this face wash because it does not dry out my skin, and I really need that because I am already from the dry skin type. I'm letting my skin air dry a little bit, but for the next step I'm going to pick up my moisturizer, which is by Simple. This is their Rich Moisturizer. They also have a light variant which you can check out if your skin is supremely oily, but because we're doing this at the night time and we're really letting our skin drink up everything, you can use the Rich Moisturizer because it's beautiful and emollient. Now, you don't want to be shy with the quantity you use, so go ahead and just take a lot of moisturizer. Just go crazy with that. Now, essentially what we're going to do is that we're going to apply it on our damp skin, not wet but just damp skin, and we're going to apply it like we would a clay mask. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a nice and thick even layer of this all over my face, and because this is a moisturizer, you can go around your eyes as it will not dry down your under eye area, but it would make it look even plumper. You can also go down your neck because your neck deserves all of the love too. And now that we have that nice and even layer on our skin, our waiting game begins. I'm going to keep this on my face for 15 to 20 minutes so that it can drink up all of the moisturization from this moisturizer. It has been 15 minutes that I've had my cream on, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cotton pad and I'm going to wipe off the excess. As you can see, a lot of it has been absorbed by my skin and this is not required. Whatever you do wipe off, you can apply on your body because we do not encourage wastage over here. So I'm just going to get rid of the excess so we can move on to our last step. My skin feels as soft as a newborn's butt, and that's exactly how you want your skin to feel like. And for our last step, I'm going to be taking my facial oil. This is the Indulgio Rose Gold Oil. I love this, and this would just seal everything off so you don't lose any moisture throughout the night. I'm going to use just about half a pump, not more than that. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops of that oil, and I'm going to just warm it up in between my hands. Now, there is a face oil out there for every skin type, even if you have oily skin. So just make sure you play around, try different products and see what suits your skin type. I'm just patting this into my skin. I'm not rubbing it or moving it because that can end up making your moisturizer underneath pill up a little, and you just want to just pack it in and seal it in. So I'm just patting this onto my skin, and that is literally it. Those 3 steps and your skin would be glowing to the gods in 20 days. You can also do this just a day in advance to any big function that your skin looks plump and hydrated. But if you keep on doing it continuously, it would just make your skin so beautiful. I promise you guys, your skin would be beaming and would be looking healthy, like you've been taking care of it so much. You've been spending money on it like no one's business. So yeah, you can already see how nice and hydrated and plump my skin looks, and I love it. And yes, that is literally it, guys. We are done with this easy 3-step routine that will leave you with glowing, beautiful skin for this festive season. There's not a lot of aftercare. You don't have to think about if you can step out in the sun because there are no acids that would make your skin photosensitive. And you don't need to invest in the products that I have used. You can use whatever you have lying around. And that's the beauty of this routine. Use whatever works for you. And yeah, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Here's me wishing you loads of love, luck, and laughter this festive season. I will see you guys tomorrow with another Diva Log video. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.